You're putting hard tissue findings into your Dentrix chart. One thing you can use to either help you save time or if you're feeling confused is look up here in here, and there's this little button. It's supposed to look like a little light switch. So when it's not highlighted, if you click on a tooth and you're gonna do like a filling on a tooth, the code's going to show up here, and then you can pick either existing, or treatment plan or completed. So let's say this is a treatment plan one. I'm going to click it and you'll pick which side it's on. Or if you turn this little auto on, every tooth you're going to put right now and whatever treatment code you're going to put, it's going to make it as treatment plan. So let's say you have a new patient, you're going to chart all the existing restorations. You could turn on the light switch, turn on existing other, and then every one you put in will turn out as green existing other fillings.